A lot of traders treat every trade opportunity the same. And, at SignalSheet, we feel that's a big mistake. And, we started thinking in trade types on purpose, right? After you score your opportunity and you find that a particular company has a great opportunity to invest in, right, or to trade, you then want to identify which type of trade is present, whether it's short, medium, long term, and you want to then score even your trade. So, we have three different trade types, and we really wanted to align the concepts to a business process. So, for example, our short-term trades in SignalSheet, we call those paycheck trades. A paycheck trade is exactly that. You think about it as a company maybe you work for, or maybe you work for yourself. A paycheck will be something that you get every week, 2 weeks, maybe a month. Short-term, actionable, income-driven. A quarterly trade is something that takes a bit more time to develop. You want to think about that as like a sales goal, right? Or maybe like a deal cycle that takes a couple of months to close. Some trades require that extra few weeks to really develop in its setup, and then for you to execute appropriately. And then of course leaps, same concept that exists in most trading environments, right? A leap is exactly that. It's something that you believe is going to matriculate into the future. And so you want to give yourself a year, sometimes 2 years, to allow that setup to develop. At SignalSheet, we focus on not only scoring the opportunity, but also scoring the trade type. So you go from your opportunity, identify your trade type, get your score on your trade type, and execute calmly. The goal at SignalSheet is for trading to become more repeatable, for the process to feel more repeatable, for the actions to feel more repeatable in a controlled environment, less chaotic and more intentional. That's the key.